Hello everyone, today we are going to study verb can. Can is a verb that helps us to talk about our abilities. For doing so, let's check some grammar. In English, we are always to have the subject. In this case, we are going to have the verb can, then the verb and the complement. This is in an affirmative sentence. Now let's check. Subject, can, not, verb, and the complement. That's a negative sentence. In questions, we are going to place first verb can, then the subject, then the verb, and the complement. Of course, we need to use the question mark. A common mistake that we have is that we use to in the middle of the verbs. Can always goes without to. So the common mistake is can to dance. Wrong. I can dance. Good. Let's check some examples. In affirmative sentence, we are going to have she can play the piano. In negative, he can't swim. We can use cannot in a formal way. In the question, we are going to have can you speak English? Common mistakes. Apply the S, the simple present rule, to can. That's not good. Adding ing to the main verb. That's also a wrong sentence. You said, I can dance. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have questions, just leave me a comment, or if not, just like my video. Bye!